Okay, we gotta talk about this chair. Yes, this thing, this little bag right here that weighs less than 3 pounds, this is a chair. It's a portable camping chair that this brand sent to me for this review, and I tried it. As actually, this is the third product that I have from them, and I have to say, like camping stuff, outdoors, everything that is related to like camping or just going out and fishing or tailgating for sports or events or things like that, they have their word on this. They really like it. So I have to say that this thing is really good, like many of the other products. So let me actually show you super quick how to assemble this chair. Awesome. So this little guy right here that you can take with you everywhere with that tiny bag, it has this reinforced, you can see how lightweight this is. It has this reinforced structure that is gonna actually, listen to this, it's gonna actually support 330 pounds. So you can actually take this with you on the go, sit everywhere. And as you can see, it had this really nice rocking effect. This thing is awesome. It supports 330 pounds. Let me know how this little thing supports that much weight. And it's so secure. You can actually see that I'm just like sitting right here, no issues, no problems. And let me show you something. By the way, this is a waterproof fabric, so it won't mess up if it is raining or something like that. And you can see it has two pockets right here. So you can put your phone right here, your book, your devices or anything, or you can put like a can, like a drink, that has another pocket right here. So it's super convenient to take with you, as I was saying before, like on a camping day or tailgating, or if you just are going out for like a concert or something like that, or an event, outdoors, picnic, you name it, whatever. Super nice to have, super convenient, lightweight. It has this really nice bag, as I was saying before, and you can just how much it takes, probably like in between 3 to 5 minutes to assemble and 3 to 5 minutes to disassemble. I like it, super lightweight. I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.